Hi guys, so today we're back at Cadwell Park for the last track day of 2021, and hopefully, if you can see it, the Clio will hopefully perform a little bit better than it did at Bedford. Slight problem, the car is broke. So what was wrong with it was the timing was 2 teeth out, and also the radiator was bowed, and obviously the exhaust, which we knew about. So it's all been fixed and we're just praying it will work, so wish us luck.
So the sun is shining, it looks pretty dry for now, and we have an absolutely stunning view. So all that's left to do is to get out on track.
Just need to pick it up. Now we're on different tyres from where last time on intermediates compared to semi-slicks, and it's quite cold on the track, so we're just going to see how it goes, but we keep pushing it each more and learn what Sam taught me over at Silverstone. So that's going to be the main thing about today, is just reinforcing what Sam's taught me and make it more a habit rather than actually trying to think about it all the time. So let's get going again. Session done. I'm feeling a lot more confident in the car, so coming off the brakes a bit sooner, sort of really nailing what Sam's taught me. But also there was a yellow flag with an MX light spun off, so I'm pretty sure it's going to go into red flag, so we called it early. But a little bit of a sneak peek, I'm having an interview on the BBC Look North News, so they're here now, so we're going to go get that done. Go. That's a little bit of rain. Silverstone, we was keeping up with a Ferrari on the corners. Obviously he absolutely walked away in the straight, but every time in the corners we're getting right up near him and actually having to slow down a little bit for him, so that was always good fun. Little Roland's performing really well, and it's in one piece at the moment, which is the main thing. There was a black flag which was for our like little group of like 4 or 5 of us, so I didn't know who it was aimed for, so I came in anyway. Unfortunately it wasn't even for me, but obviously track day, you've got to go by track day rules, and I just wanted to make sure rather than it be for me and be told off. So that was really, really good, really good fun, and yeah, happy to say that the little Roland kept up with a Ferrari. Not bad. Clio's unite. Now it's Mum's turn. I'm gonna laugh at her. Didn't get that on camera, Mum. So it's lunchtime, so we're gonna get some fuel and food in just to sort of recoup, ready for the afternoon. But this morning's gone really, really positive. The Clio's survived, which is the main thing compared to Bedford. And we're really reinforcing what Sam's taught me from Silverstone, and we're noticing a difference from the first time we came to Cadwell. So this afternoon is just about putting that into more practice and having fun. So let's get some food and then enjoy the afternoon.
I have, yeah.
All I'm gonna say is I've gone for a bubble hat and my fingers and everything is so cold. Had a couple of afternoon sessions and Mum came out with the first time in the Clio, so what did you think?
Oh my god, she's just so much better than she was when she was at Brighton. See the mass improvement on her.
From start of the year to the end.
Yeah, fantastic, absolutely amazing. Wasn't scared one little bit. It's just a shame the tyres got warm when we had to come in.
Yeah, the tyres were getting a little bit too hot because we had two hefty sessions after each other, so they're just starting to go a little bit. So we'll give it a break and then go again. Hopefully another session or two before the end of the day. So let's get going.
Go out again.
Maybe. We've definitely bloody hell got some heat in those tyres. And what a stunning view as well. over and done with. Really, really good last session. Started to push it more and more and more, but got to remember that we're on intermediate tyres and the track gets very, very cold. So we came in after about 20-25 minutes, but we really enjoyed it. So look north, we've just seen the video for that as well, which I'm really excited that goes live tonight. So I'll try and add some of those bits in as well. But yeah, what a day. Rowan survived. He survived a full day, which is the main worry, so we're happy with that. And yeah, last day of the season done. But thank you very much, Roland. We'll be back again quicker and stronger next season. So you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.